In this video we are going to obtain dichloroacetic acid. The sodium salt of dichloroacetic acid is used in clinical trials and in the treatment of lactic acidosis, to inhibit triglyceride production, and in cancer tumors it restores aerobic glycolysis. Dichloroacetic acid is also used in medicine for cauterizing and as a disinfectant. Its esters are used in organic chemistry to obtain glyoxylic acid and sulfonamides. The first step is to convert chloral to calcium chloroacetate with carbonate and sodium cyanide. Use extreme caution when handling sodium cyanide as it is a very poisonous compound. The second step to obtain dichloroacetic acid is to decompose the calcium salt by the action of hydrochloric acid. First, we are going to obtain an aqueous solution of chloral hydrate. Dilute in a 50 ml beaker 15 grams of chloral hydrate in 30 ml of water. To prepare a solution of 700 mg of sodium cyanide diluted in 2 ml of water. In a 250 ml flask of 3 mouths put 10 grams of calcium carbonate through a solid funnel. Put a reflux condenser in the central mouth. Add the chloral hydrate solution. Four drops of isoamyl alcohol to avoid foam production. And add the sodium cyanide solution and put a 200-degree thermometer. The reaction is exothermic, heating to a temperature of 75 degrees in 10 minutes. Interrupted the heating, the temperature has to increase to 85 degrees for 5 minutes. When the temperature begins to drop, heat to boiling for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, cool between 0 and 5 degrees. Now the calcium dichloroacetate has been obtained. To separate the dichloroacetic acid, to add to the temperature between 0 and 5 degrees 13 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. To extract the obtained acid with 3 portions of 10 ml of ether. The extraction is dried with anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Filter to separate the magnesium sulfate and evaporate the ether with water bath. To purify dichloroacetic acid, it is distilled under pressure. The acid undergoes decomposition if distilled at normal pressure. The distillation is maintained at a temperature of 100 to 110 degrees and a pressure of 50 to 60 mm. In this operation about 8.5 grams of dichloroacetic acid have been obtained.